it's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday. I am back on this actually beautiful fall day. We got a lot to talk about. I'm a little bit earlier today. We're going to talk about the Bath & Body Works car fragrance refill sale. Are these a good deal? How do you load them in the clips? We're going to talk about that. Also, I'm so excited. I'm going to put a screenshot up. We now have tote bags on Bonleo. We have two different tote bags. We have the durable polyester bags in small, medium, and large, and the cotton canvas bag. So I'll put the link below. We're going to add all of our products on tote bags, and we have a new design. I'm going to put a screenshot up. It is called I Like My Peppermint Twisted, just in time for the holidays. That's going to be on a t-shirt. I got to put it on the hoodie, but it is on the tote bag. So lots of fun stuff. Check it out. Use the code QUEEN10 at Bonleo for 10% off too. So, oh my goodness, car fragrances. Check it out. I have quite the collection of car fragrance clips. I like them, and I think there's a couple that I need. I need Nora the Mouse. I also like the Santa with Presents. They have a menorah one this year. They have a holiday dash hound, the ornament vent clip, the train. I'm kind of thinking I need the train. I'm going to hold off, though, until probably Cyber Monday. A lot of people are asking me, too, what's actually happening on Black Friday? I'm going to do another video about Black Friday. I just wanted to get those preview things going yesterday in that video. But Black Friday, I can't even fit in one video. We got to do a lot of videos because Bath & Body Works is doing Black Friday over like 5 days, which is really confusing. So I have a lot of the Christmas car clips. These are fun to put in your car for the holidays. I have the little Scotty dog from last year. What other Christmas ones do I have? Oh, I have the Santa one. This one's old. This is the old vent clip style. This one, I think, oh yeah, I was like, is it not clipping? Oh, I have a Valentine's Day one. Of course, I have my Halloween ones. I have an owl. That's kind of year-round. So there's a couple of different styles of clip. One is the straight-on vent clip. You stick this on your heater vent and the fragrance will come through here. I don't like to use these in the winter. I don't like hot fragrance. I don't know why. It just bothers me. Then we have the straight visor clips. These are just the visor clips. You clip these on your visor. I actually prefer the visor clip. But then they have a duo clip that's both the vent clip, and then if you pull this out, it's also a visor clip. You got to fold the visor part down. I actually prefer the old style vent clips better. I think they hold a little better. I don't know why. I just like this thicker clip. But this is, I think, kind of what they're moving towards, so you can use them on both. So the car fragrance refills are $1.75 today. You have to use the code on the go, online, and in storage. You need to use the code or the little email code. $1.75 is a good deal because even at half price, they're only like $2.50. However, if you can layer a coupon during like the Black Friday buy 3 get 3, there probably will be a little bit less, but today's a good deal. I have Tiki Beach. I have no Christmas. I actually need to get some Christmas. I have sugared or pumpkin snickerdoodle. I have a couple of pumpkin cupcakes. Oh, I have a Midnight Amber Glow. I have a Vampire Blood. I have a Girlfriend. I usually buy a couple of these here and there. So I'm going to show you how to load one of these. So in theory, they're supposed to last like a month. I always joke around that my car smells like French fries and dirt. I'm always eating McDonald's fries in my car. They're always like falling out of the container. Although I'll have to say I've been better lately because I just got the Rainforest car wash subscription. I wash my car now like twice a week and I vacuum it now. So my car is looking really good. I'm so happy with my car now. The new ones, well, not new ones, but couple of new ones. They have Goldenberry Mistletoe, which I don't like. Bright Christmas Morning, Under the Christmas Tree is good. You want your car to smell like a Christmas tree. I like that. 'Tis the Season's one of my favorites. Strawberry Snowflakes, Frosted Cranberry, Spiced Apple Toddy is a little too much for me. Frozen Lake, I don't like. Luminous, not a fan. Marshmallow Fireside, that's a good one for the car. Vanilla Bean Noel, I love. Winter Candy Apple, Fresh Balsam, again, I love that one. Harvest Pomegranate, Pumpkin Pecan Waffles, Pumpkin Cupcake, which I have right here. Pumpkin Apple is a good one. Why don't I see Twisted Peppermint? Does anyone see Twisted Peppermint? Oh, it's at the top. It's at the very top. I missed it. I gotta get that Nora Mouse vent clip. That is super cute. I think I might get that one. So anyway, how do you use these? So they're a little tricky. On the back, there's like this sticker, and you kind of have to pull the sticker off first in order to get everything apart, and that's not always easy. So there we go. I'm pulling the sticker off. So then you got to get rid of that because it sticks everywhere. And then what you're going to do is you're going to peel this part off. So this is the foil part. And then you are left with a disc. Oh yeah, pumpkin cupcake smells so good. So then what you're going to do is there's a tab on the front of these. You're going to open this up, and they're kind of tricky sometimes. You got to pull it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your disc and you're going to set it in here. Now make sure the rounded part is down. So there's like a rounded part and a flat part. You want the rounded part on the bottom so it fits in there. And then what you're gonna do is close it up. So then the fragrance is gonna come out this way. So you can actually keep one of these on your desk. They smell really good. I've actually done that before. In theory, they're supposed to last like 3 to 4 weeks. I've heard people say they're only getting like a week or two. I myself have noticed after the first week, you don't smell them as much and you kind of get a much lighter scent going on. At $1.75, I feel like that's kind of a reasonable price to last for 2 weeks. If I can get my car smelling like a fresh balsam scent for at least a couple weeks, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I'm pretty happy. So that's how the car fragrances work. Oh boy, I love the pumpkin cupcake. Can't really reuse these. Once they're in here and you've taken the foil off, that's pretty much it. You know, like the wallflowers, you can kind of, put the cap back on. These are pretty much done because this does not stick back on at all. So once you pull it off, you're going to have to use it. I'm going to stick pumpkin cupcake in my car on my way out today. But I don't know. Let me know what you think. Is anyone buying these? I gotta say, they make a nice gift. I've actually put these in like a cute little gift box with some tissue paper. And then I usually give somebody like 3 of these. And the clips run about $11, $12. There's less expensive clips. Let me see what the least expensive clip is here. Wow, the train one is $15. I gotta wait till Black Friday on that one. It looks like about $10. These clips have gone up. The mushroom is $12. I don't even see. Oh, the least expensive one, but it's kind of ugly. The plain black matte one is $5.95. But I wouldn't give someone that one. I want to give them like the pretty one. So you're talking like $12, and then like little under like $5-ish for 3 of these. And then it's going to be an under $20 gift, but people do appreciate these. I got to say, when I get these off, people like it. So anyway, let me know what you're shopping for today. Don't forget to check out the tote bags at Bonleo. I'll put the links below, and I'll see you guys later. I got a lot going on today. Bye-bye.